Congratulations on your purchase of your new Lourdes Hydrofix Premium Edition. In this video, we will cover how to switch the lids from drinking mode to inhalation mode. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for additional instructional videos. These videos are filled with helpful tips on how to better care for your premium hydrogen machine so that it will last for many years to come. First, remove the pitcher from the base unit by lifting straight up. To open the lid, give a slight twist and remove it. Next, fill the pitcher with drinking water to either of the fill lines. Add between 500 milliliters or the recommended 1.5 liters of drinking water to the pitcher. Drinking water can be tap water, well water, filtered water, mineral water, spring water, Kangen water, alkaline water, reverse osmosis, or distilled water can be used. Do not use any liquid other than water, and do not use water unsuitable for consumption such as dirty or contaminated water. Do not use salt water or seawater. The water temperature should be between 5 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not use hot water. The type of water used in the pitcher will not affect the hydrogen level produced. For drinking, first insert the white hydrogen keeper on top of your water, making sure it floats in a flat manner. If it ever tilts inside, simply remove the lid and set it flat again. Next, replace the pitcher by carefully lining up the placement guides of the pitcher and the pitcher tray, and set the pitcher onto the tray straight down. Then, plug in your Lourdes Hydrofix and you will see the glowing blue power button lit. Press the power button once. Use the 30-minute mode to make a full pitcher or 1.5 liters of hydrogen water, or to inhale hydrogen gas for 30 minutes. For inhalation, you must first remove the floating hydrogen keeper from the pitcher. Then, simply replace the pouring lid with the inhalation lid and cannula. For inhalation, use the power button to switch between the 30-minute mode and/or 90-minute mode to enjoy an inhalation session. Remember, you won't hear anything coming from the cannula as the hydrogen isn't pressurized. Be assured the hydrogen is flowing through the cannula to your nose. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy your new Lourdes Hydrofix Premium Edition. And don't forget that we have other instructional videos on our YouTube channel, including storage, draining, and cleaning, that will teach you how to care and maintain your machine so that it will last for many years to come. Welcome to Holy Hydrogen.